Hi, what is this we are seeing on the screen? So this is a servo motor. What is servo motor? So this is the motor with gears which is inside, which will help turn fast and spinning into slow but very strong spinning. You can say it is used in robots, toys, machines, and some doors also. So these are the wires which will be connecting to Arduino or Raspberry Pi or any microcontroller chip we'll be using, and this is where we'll be connecting all the things. And how does it look when we open it out? So this is how it looks when we open. So let's understand what exactly and how it works from the beginning. So here the yellow part here is an electric motor. This is the heart. When the electricity comes in, it spins really fast, but it is not stronger enough to spin by itself. It is like a fan, uh, spins fast but can't lift heavy things. So this is where electricity will be flowing through. So next we'll be going to worm gear here. So this the black screw kind of thing. This looks like a screw, but here this is the worm gear. So this looks like a screw, but it turns the motor. Uh, it turns when the motor spins. It push the next gear slowly and very strongly. It is like turning a screw with a screwdriver. Next we have warm gear here in the down part, which is kind of orange in color. You know. Okay, so this gear is pushed by the warm gear. It turns very slowly but becomes very powerful. So it is like as the slower the gear is, the more stronger it becomes. So this is how this works. Next we have the big green gear here. So what it does? So this gear is like it makes power even stronger. Like it helps control the speed, works together with all these other gears. So this gear will control the power, but in a stronger manner, and this will be working with all these things and all the gears left out here. So next we have output shaft. The silver rod thing here, this is the part that moves outside. Whenever you connect here, will whatever you connect here will be turning. So this spring kind of thing here in the corner or in the beginning of the rod is where we'll be connecting the things. Example, you can connect wheels, or you can connect robot arms, or any door, or anything you want to move in a robot, that will be connecting it here. And moving forward to gear joint here, the golden thing, what does this do? Joint, it connects to the shaft. So this shaft, the output shaft, is connected with this gear joint here, the golden thing. So it helps in smooth environment. So this is connected with this one, the output shaft. The gear joint is connected with output shaft, and the big green gear here, which will be coordinating with all the gears in this. And after that, this star shaped part, it is known as crossed horn, as we have mentioned here, crossed horn. So what it does, it is used to attach things. Example, you can attach robot hands, wheels, or any lever if you have to attach it here. So we'll be attaching that to this one. So this black case here, and all around the box is known as gearbox. So what it does is it protects all the gears and the electric motor and the shaft and the all the other like worm gears and motor tray and all. So it keeps everything in clean and aligned manner. So this is how this black box is used. So how does it works? So first, electricity will enter the motor in the electric motor. Then motor spins very fast here, and the warm gear slows it down. This one, the gray part, and the orange one. Then the gear make it stronger, which is in green color. It spins very fast, but these gears will slow it down and make it stronger. As we said, the slower it is, the stronger it makes. So then the output shaft here, it turns as per your command which you have inserted in the Arduino. And here in the crossed horn, the attached object moves like any robotic hand or any lever or anything, and here any wheel or anything you have attached will be moving when this happens. So this is how it works. So next we have is this is how it is connected with an Arduino. So these wires are directly connected to Arduino, where we'll be getting the power input and it will be working as per our command or the code which we have inserted it to do. So this is an Arduino, and oh sorry, this is a Raspberry Pi. So this will be connected directly to this one, and this is where our other components will be attached, and this is where we get the power input, and it will work all by itself as per the code. So how does it look if we attach anything on this part here? So this is how it looks. In this we have attached a PiCam, which is a very small camera which is used in many projects. So this is how it looks when we connect it. So this is a servo motor, and when we want it to turn, this part here will turn and camera looks here and there. This is how we use the CCTV cameras and all other security cameras will be containing this one, the servo motor. So moving back to the servo motor, why using of so many gears? These gears will make motion slower, and the motion will be stronger. As the slower motion, the stronger it becomes, helps lift heavy things. Okay, next we have as we can use it to stop moving when power is off. That is for the safety purpose. So this is why we use these many gears. And imagine you are motor, so your legs are motor which will run very fast. So in the bicycle, when you're pedaling that, as no matter how fast you turn, the wheel spins according to your gear. So that is how even this will work. Next, the output here is like a pushing a box. So this is all these components together will look like this. So this is how the servo motor works and how it is connected. And that so today we learned how the servo motor will work and how it connects and what are the things which is used in this one. So that's it for today. See you in the next video, future robot builders.